Jeep just made a really big move and barely anybody's talking about it. The 392 Wrangler is officially available in all 50 states. Yes, even in the states where the Jeep basically wasn't even allowed before. And that changes a lot more than it sounds. For a long time, the 392 Wrangler, well, it was kind of limited. You could get it in certain states, you could order it in other states, and in a few places, it was basically off the table. That's over now. Jeep just opened orders nationwide, coast to coast. California, New York, Massachusetts, all in. This isn't just about availability. This is Jeep saying, yeah, we're doing this again. A naturally aspirated 6.4-liter V8, 470 horsepower in a Wrangler. At a time when most brands are downsizing, electrifying, or walking things back, and the timing here matters. This Wrangler launched a 12 for 12 campaign. It was the first drop. Now Jeep is making sure everyone can get it. That tells me this isn't a side project, it's a statement. Jeep knows exactly who this Wrangler is for, and they're done tiptoeing around it. The Moab 392 isn't just loud, it's actually built right. Steel bumpers, 35-inch tires, full-time four-wheel drive, and the kind of torque that makes everything feel effortless. This thing can crawl, it can cruise, and yes, it can absolutely rip. Here's the part that really matters. Jeep didn't have to do this. They chose to. Opening this Jeep up nationwide tells me that Jeep is leaning back into emotion, identity, and fun. Not just compliance, not just efficiency, not just numbers on paper. This makes the rest of the 12 for 12 drops even more interesting. If this is how Jeep is starting the year, what are they comfortable doing next? Because this doesn't feel like a farewell tour. It feels like a reset. If you've been waiting for a V8 Wrangler, and you thought you missed your chance, you didn't. And this move tells us a lot about where Jeep is headed next. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.